Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This set from CAT 2021, slot 2 DILR, says that Ravi works in an online food delivery company. After each delivery, customers rate Ravi on four parameters and on a scale from 1 to 9. So they rate from 1 to 9. If the total of the four rating points is 25 or more, then Ravi gets a bonus of 20 rupees. So the condition for bonus of 20 at rating of greater than equal to 25. Additionally, a customer may or may not give Ravi a tip. Okay, so the person may or may not give tip, and if a customer gives a tip, either it is 30 or 50 rupees. So rating should be greater than 25 for bonus 20, and tip is either 30 or 50 rupees. On one day, Ravi made four deliveries, one to each of these persons, A, B, C, D, and received a total of rupees 120 in bonus and tips. So he received 120 in bonus and tips. Now, at this point in time, do not try to find out the different combinations that one can make. Let us first fill the ratings and then we will later find out the combinations of bonus and tips, because you can have different combinations, like you may have 20, 50, 50. Okay, it can also be 20, 20, 30, and 50. It can also be 20, 20, 20. Those are the only two ways, although. But let's first focus on finding these numbers and then get it. Okay, so if we look at the points, they are given that there are four people A, B, C, D, and they rated him on four different parameters. So let's make a table like this and fill in the values. So we have four people A, B, C, D, Atal, Bihari, Chirag, and Deepak, and they are rating in four parameters: behavior, packaging, hygiene, and timeliness. Now, in order to fill this table fast, the first thing is look out for numbers. We are given six statements. Look out for numbers: 21 points, 29 points, 26 points, 5 and 7. Okay, now these things help us quickly fill the table. Like there are conditions given, you have to read the conditions and understand them, like higher points, same points, right? You have to make some equation or some other case, but if you look at the numbers, that is easy to fill. So it says in timeliness, Ravi got 21 points. Okay, just fill 21. Read the remaining part later. Okay, in packaging, it he gets 29 points. Read the remaining part later. Hygiene, 26 points. So these are some of the factors that help you solve sets fast if you look out for numbers in the range. Now these are the numbers in these points, and then we are given everyone rated Ravi between 5 and 7 in behavior. So behavior between 5 to 7, you will have the values. Okay, so these are the conditions given. Now we will read these conditions in detail and fill the values. So it says in timeliness, Ravi received a total of 21 points, which is fine. And three of the customers gave him the same points. Atal gave higher rating points than Bihari and Chirag. Now, three of them are getting same points. Atal is greater than Bihari and Chirag. Now, we cannot have Atal greater than Bihari greater than Chirag, because we are getting only two set of values. One is high value and one is low value. Okay, so we cannot have three set of values. So it will mean that Atal is giving more than Bihari, but Bihari and Chirag will be same. So technically, three people will have the same values. Okay, so Atal greater than Bihari, greater than and Bihari, Chirag, and Deepak will give the same rating. So that is how one needs to interpret this, because three people giving the same rating. So that means there are two values. One value will come, let's say the values are x and y. So x, 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 and one value will be y. So either x will be greater than y or y will be greater than x. So if you want to think this way, and this is the representation that Atal will give higher rating than the other three. So let us say Atal gives, we can, since we have only few numbers, single digit numbers, so instead of writing variables, let us put in the numbers itself. Now suppose the maximum BCD can give is 7. If you put 7, 7, 7, it will become 0. which is not possible. Okay, so if you give 6 6 6, it becomes 3, again not possible. Okay, then another possibility is 5 5 and 5, that is 15, so this person will give 6. Another scenario we can have is 4 4 4, which is 4 4 4 is 12, 12 plus 9 21. So that is another possibility. So for now I have written in two colors. If you give 3 3 3, that will be 9, the person will have to give 12, which is not possible. So we have only two such possibilities. So thus far we have filled the points for uh, timeliness. Next, we see this that Ravi received distinct rating points in packaging from the four customers, adding up to 29 points. Now, this is a crucial statement. If you see the highest possible, now 29 is a good number. Like good mind say that if you add four numbers, 29 is a high number. So if you give, let us say if you put 10, 9, the maximum a person can give is 9. If you give four distinct ratings, if you give 9, 8, 7, 6, that adds to 30. Okay. Now the person is getting 29. That means you have to remove one from these numbers. Now if you remove one from 9, it will become 8, 8, 7, 6. Not possible. If you remove 1 from here, it becomes 9 7 7 6. 7 is repeating. If you remove 1 from here, 9 7 6 6. 6 is repeating. So we will need to remove 1 from here. So we have 9 8 7 5. Now if you people play Kakuro, then you would know that instantly. You would not have to make cases, because you already know in Kakuro we have this number 29 formed by adding four digits, because that is based on single digit numbers. So in packaging the ratings are 9 8 7 and 5. Similarly, Ravi received distinct rating points in hygiene from the four customers, adding up to 26 points. Now, 26 is slightly lesser, so there are multiple possibilities. Like you can have 9, 8, 7, and you can have 2, right? Similarly, you can have 9, 8. Instead of 7 2, we can have 6 3, we can have 9 8 5 4, so and so on. There are several possibilities. Okay, so we will put this on hold for now. We know that these are also distinct values. Okay, let's move on to the next point, which are giving about same rating. Let's fill the fifth point first, because we filled some information over here that everyone rated between 5 and 7 in behavior. So the range is 5 to 7, and it gives unique maximum and minimum. Unique maximum means only one person will give the maximum, that is 7, and unique minimum means only one person will give 5 points. It means other two people will give 6 points. So in uh, this behavior, the points will be 7 6 6 5. Who is giving 7 points? Atal. And Deepak is giving 5 points. So Atal giving 7 points, Deepak giving 5 points, these two people giving 6 points each. So we have 13 plus 11, total 24. So this was an easy statement to fill out of the remaining ones. Okay. Next, it says that this is done if the customers are ranked based on ratings given by them in individual parameters, then Atal's rank in based on packaging is same as that based on hygiene. So some rank based thing, which probably once we know more data we can execute them. So let us look at these points 3 and 4. Those are the ones that are remaining. It says Chirag gave the same rating points for packaging and hygiene. So let us say these points are C and C. Okay, just putting the values. Among the four customers, Bihari gave the highest rating points in packaging and Chirag gave the highest in hygiene. Okay, so Bihari giving the highest in packaging. We know 9875 are the values. So Bihari will give 9 points. Okay, now in hygiene, Chirag is giving the highest. Now, how is it possible to give the highest? See, we are given that like packaging, Bihari is already giving 9, so Chirag cannot give 9. So what cases we were taking here are not possible. Now, if you take, let us say it has to be less than 9. So if it is 7, so if you take 7 as the highest and four distinct values. So 7654 will make 22 only. So that is also not possible. Like logically, you can interpret that 7 cannot be the highest. If you take the highest as 8, then can we have 8765 adding to 26? So this gives us that the values are 8, 7, 6 and 5. And Chirag gives 8 points here. And Chirag will give 8 points here also. Okay, so 8 and 8 are done. Now we are left with these values for packaging and hygiene, and we have used all these statements. Okay, only the last statement is left. Let us read it carefully and finish the table. So this statement says if the customers are ranked based on ratings given by them in individual parameters, then Atal's rank based on packaging is the same as that based on hygiene. Okay. Packaging, who is the first one? Bihari is the first one. Chirag is second. Okay, this is first and this is second. So Atal will be either third or fourth, right? And his rank in packaging is the same based on hygiene. So in hygiene also he should be one of those three or fourth. This is also true for Deepak. So in packaging also Deepak is third or fourth because Atal is third, then Deepak will be fourth, and vice versa. Okay, so we will give in this case also he should be either third or fourth depending on Atal's rank. So this means these are the first two people, right? Highest is 8, second highest is 7. So 7 will go to Bihari. Okay, now these two people are Atal and Deepak are third or fourth in packaging and hygiene. So one of the persons will be third, one of the persons will be fourth. Now let's do one thing. Let's make cases. Let us put Atal as third in both the cases, and like we will try the two cases. One, let's put Atal as third, and then we will see Atal as fourth. I mean, we will see which case fits here. So let's assume that Atal is third in both the rating points. So if Atal is third, what will happen is in packaging he should give 7 and 6, and Deepak will give 5 and 5, right? Now what happens to the total points? So if this is true, then we have 14, 20. It will be 26 or 29 as the total. We have in any case the total is 15, 22, 26 or 27, right? In either case these two values will remain same. Okay, 26 or 27 for Chirag Bihari, and Deepak will give 19 or 20 points depending on timeliness score. Now, here comes this picture of bonus and uh, the tip part. Now, in this case, three people are giving bonus. Whatever you take, whether you take 26 or 29, three people are giving bonus. So, three bonus means 60 rupees. Okay, that tip can be either 30 or 50, which will make the total as 90 or 110, right? So that is not possible because he is getting 120 in bonus and tips. So this case is not possible, right? So it means our first assumption of third and fourth rank is wrong. So we will reverse the numbers. So Atal will be fourth rank, and Deepak will be third rank. So Atal gives fourth rank, that means 5 and 5 will come for Atal, and 7 and 6 will come for Deepak. Okay. Now comes the timeliness factor. So we know that these are 15 and 722. This is 26 or 27 in either case. Right, this is 17 and 9 or 6. So let's write the first case this side because we are writing the green case here. So let's use the same thing in this. It is 17 plus 9, 26 or 23, and this is 12 and 18, 22 or 23. Okay, now if you take the left case, that is the person giving 26, 26, 26. In that case, again the same thing will happen. 3 times bonus, so 60 rupees, and that won't be possible. Okay, so that means we need to we cannot have 26 given by Atal. So we will get a unique case like timeliness. The scores will be 6, 5, 5, and 5. That means these totals will be the ones which we wrote on the right hand side. So we will have 23, 27, 27, and 23. So you can just cross check if all the conditions are matched. So we have 12, 17, and 23. So that is matching. Now talking about the bonus part. So these two will give, B and C will give 20 rupees each. Okay, because of the bonus thing, right? And it is also given that he did not get bonus and tip from the same customer, so he will not get tip from them. Now bonus from other two people is, this is bonus, and the tip will be of 80 rupees. So tip will be 30 plus 50. So either of them could give 30, either of them could give 50. Okay, so one of them will give 30 and another will give 50 rupees as the tip. So that is how we will fill the table. Now let us answer the questions. What was the minimum rating that Ravi received from any customer in any parameter? So minimum rating we can see is 5 in different different parameters, different customers, but that rating point is 5. The complete list of customers who gave the maximum total rating points to Ravi is, so Bihari and Chirag both are giving 27 points to Ravi. What rating did Atal give on timeliness? So on timeliness, Atal gave 6 points. Now, if you had not solved this set completely, since this was a theta question, you could have punched in 9 or 6 as the answer. So you had 50% chance of getting the answer right. Because when we were making the cases, we said that either it is 9444 or 6555. So that you could have blindly taken a guess in answering the question had you not completed the set during the exam. What best can be concluded about the tip amount given by Deepak? So we know Bihari and Chirag are giving bonus. Now Deepak and Atal will give tip. So it is total of 80. It can be 30-50 or 50-30. Okay, so it is either 30 or 50. It cannot be 0 because you have to make total 80 from two people. In which parameter did Atal give the maximum rating points to Ravi? So Atal is giving the maximum points in behavior. What rating did Deepak give on packaging? So on packaging, Deepak is giving the rating of 7 points. So this was the solution to the set and the answers to the questions.